I'd like to say a massive thank you to all the team at Dental Wise. My name's Frank, 63 in July. I come from Manchester in England. I said 10 years ago that when I'm in my 60s, I'm going to have Implant all on 4. I started looking when I was 60, and there was a chap on TikTok came to Dental Wise, I think 3 years ago now, and he posted regular about his experience with Dental Wise, how he's been after, giving really good advice and saying things like, if you follow what Dental Wise tell you, you don't have any problems. So I followed him for 2 years on Facebook and TikTok, and based on his story, and then obviously looking at other stories from Dental Wise, I decided to make an appointment and come over. The reason I wanted implants was because to maintain my teeth in the UK and keep them looking good over the next 15, 20 years would cost me far more money than having a one-time solution. So obviously lost teeth at the back throughout my life, smoked for 40 years, so a lot of staining, especially on the bottom. But then I wasn't planning to come until next year, but then I was eating a buttermint on the way to work, and it got stuck to one tooth here, and as I pulled it, I snapped the tooth. So then I thought, right, that's right in the front of my mouth. A few days later, I was again eating a buttermint, and it stuck to a tooth there, pulled that one right down to the gum. So I had 2 teeth right in my smile line that were gone, and all my bottom ones were stained with nicotine. So I decided it needs to be now. So got straight in touch with Dental Wise. Before I came to Dental Wise, I actually went to a company in London, and they did the x-rays. They were offering all on 4, both jaws, at around about the same price as Dental Wise. But when I got there, they did my x-rays and everything like that, but then they only quoted for the top, and it was more than they quoted for both jaws when I phoned them up, and they weren't going to touch my bottom, and I couldn't understand that because I wanted to compare. I wanted to be 100% sure. So when I came to Dental Wise, the first visit, if I'm honest, it felt a little bit rushed. I could have done with somebody when I came through the door, sitting down with me for 5 minutes and just saying, okay Frank, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do this, and then we're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. It just felt a little bit rushed. The surgery was scary. It was 3 hours long. I had 7 implants just in the back. It's not pain, but you know it's happening. It's like one drill hole pilot. I had, I think, 7 teeth out as well at the back, and then it's one drill hole, little pilot drill, then second drill hole, make the hole a little bit bigger, and then threaded to make the screw. And you can really feel that that's boring right into your bone. It's like, oh. Can imagine that if you wasn't numb, pain would be horrible, but it's not pain, it's in your mind. The only painful bit, in all honesty, was the needle. So many needles to numb everywhere, but it only lasts for seconds. Afterwards, I was very lucky. No bruising at all. Little bit of swelling, but only a little bit. No bruising at all. So really happy about that, because I've seen some people, they have black eyes, all their faces are, but it's to be expected. Throughout my life, I've always healed very, very well. I was a little bit disappointed because I needed a sinus lift, which meant I had to wait 6 months rather than 3 months to come back. But once I got used to that, it was fine. But there's not pain. There's a little bit of discomfort when you're having the needles. The rest of it, it's in your mind. You believe that must hurt. Afterwards, within 2 days, everything settled down. I followed exactly the instructions that I was given from Dental Wise, because I followed those instructions. Things like washing your mouth with salt 4 times a day, I was doing that. Eating soft foods for 2 months. Make sure that the gums can heal and things like that. So if you follow the instructions, I've had no infections, no extra pain after the initial sort of operation. And then it was okay, after 2 months, it was like, just can't wait to come back. So when I came back, 5 months and 2 weeks, not a full 6 months. I came back first day, straight away, I remembered the first visit, and I said to the interpreter, can you explain to me what's going to happen today? She took me aside for 5 minutes, that's all it took, and she said, today we're going going to shave your teeth, ready for, we're going to expose your implant, we're going to choose the colour of your teeth, the shape of your teeth. Although they look amazing, I've got so many teeth because I was used to not having that many teeth. But what I did notice was how natural they look. My interpreters were really good with that, because I was saying to them, nobody at 63 years of age has perfect white teeth, so they helped me choose the shape. I chose the natural shape, but they even said, for you to be more natural, we will soften the incisors, the fangs, so they rounded them off a little bit as well, to make it look even more natural. And I truly feel like I have what looks like a just really well looked after set of 63-year-old teeth. I have 2 people at home waiting to see me. When they see how natural these look, they will most likely be coming to Dental Wise. But anybody who talks to me, my experience, again, I emphasise, if you listen and follow the instructions that Dental Wise give you, in my experience, you don't have any problems at all. The clinic's beautiful. It's right by the sea. You can see the sea out of the window. It's a lovely villa that's been turned into like surgeries. The staff team are always smiling. The interpreters, Asil, Alyssa, are fantastic. They can't do enough for you. He's really good fun, actually. Asil is really good fun. The photographer, he's having his teeth done at the moment. He's wearing a brace, so it matters to him as well. I've had some good laughs with Asil and the photographer. All the team are really warm, really welcoming, and the main thing is, when you're concerned, they take the time to listen. I'd like to say a massive thank you to all the team at Dental Wise.